Yes, man.
Alright, people, welcome to the brand new show. I don't know if it's a brand new show. I'm sure some YouTuber must do this on YouTube already, you know. But I was like, I'm at home, I'm not doing nothing, and you know, might as well just go and put out some little content on the YouTube channel so that people can come through. By the way, you spend most of your time at your yard reading memes, so why not just come here and I read them for you, take away the stress off of you. So if you find some good memes and you want to share them with the world, like readable ones where the words are involved, you know, I can read it. You will see what I'm talking about, man. And you just send them to me, and you know, I put them in a compilation like this. I think I'm gonna call this reading memes. Oh, you know, like reading rainbow. Yeah, that can work. Yeah, that will work with. Reading memes. I like that. You know, I like that. Butterfly in the sky. I'm a meme reading guy. You take a look, it's on the internet. I'm reading memes. Oh, I read memes every day. So if you find some memes and they are funny, send them this way.
Better you go your bed.
Man, a big time singer. That enough you know. I didn't even know some could have sing on them level.
Barely.
Humble. Bruh. Goddamn glasses just keep smacking up. Yo, get out of my face, bro. Get out of my face, bro. Isn't it weird how we pay money to see other people? Then somebody replies, you mean prostitution? Concerts or the movies? Then the person reply back, glasses. Glasses, me I thought, brother. You see me? I don't know what you are doing for your life, why prostitution have to be the very first thing, but glasses me that talk, yeah?
God go with him, you know.
I like them thick as fuck. Now, this is a conversation with that. Real talk. I like them thick as fuck. But Sir Newton, we can't write that. Ah, my good lad Lance, that is indeed correct. Well, write this. The greater the mass, the greater the force of the attraction.
That's rich. That's really.
I later time I write to a tickers, you know. And mama asked him like, oh, you like your girl then? And him like a scribe. Him I talk to him and say, oh, I like them thick as fuck. But you don't know, I want princess him I talk to, so you can't really go too vulgar with it. So that's why boss is saying, no, you see me? Sir Newton, we can't write that. Because you know, back in them time, you have to keep it proper. So your general goes on and say, all right, write this. The greater the mass, the greater the force of the attraction. Blood.
Can I get a what?
What? Woman just drop her uncle when she hear that. No one. Me. What if I stop talking to everyone and deactivate my social media accounts? It do be like that. There are days when you just want to disappear, man. I do that a couple times well still, but I'm still up on social media, isn't it? But more time the intrusive thoughts come about, man, and you just want to lift up. And nobody don't know you're there for a couple months and you just come back out well beat up and look like Forrest Gump, is it? Woman can't figure out why plant which evolved to live in the Borneo rainforest keeps dying in her studio apartment. Kabaki bush them, go back in a bush. That you have to do. Kabaki bush them, go back in a bush and watch a bush them survive and live life. And not tear down the bush them and carry them in our house. Kabaki bush in a bush. You ever forget what you were doing and you just stand there loading? Yo, whole heap of time. Whole heap of time and just dead there and just. Zone out. Like the internet a connect back, isn't it? Dial up. Yeah, man. Regular this happened to me. Incredible customer service. Don't touch yourself. Ask the staff. Thank you. Yeah, go and go ask them. Go and go ask them, yeah? And see if you're not end up on a registry somewhere for some sort of sexual assault. Predator. Creep. Funny when things are ambiguous still, you know. Because if a man brain interpret it a certain way, How you gonna tell him say I'm not that mean? And this I say don't touch yourself, as in don't touch your privates, you know? You have to ask the staff. So if you go up in a restaurant or wherever this is posted and say, yo, ma'am, I'm in the mood to like kind of touch myself. And I see you have a sign out front that says, you know, don't touch myself. I should ask the staff. So I'm coming here to, you know, ask you the favor. Don't roll your eyes at me. Me. Roll your eye till it drop out, I suck it.
Don't think right, yeah.
Yeah, so some of them girls stay in. I'm your girlfriend's crush. Your nose stopped loading at 15%. At 15% you give me, G. That look more like it stopped right at 11. This can't be real. I can't. Somebody's face can't really say. Like the boss knows really. I watch his space between his mouth, his top lip, and the and his nose. Like you could have put a whole community right there. So. I don't believe it. I must want to filter this. Where's my boss knows there? Eh? I can't forget for Kaleki. He don't payment, he only pay for 11%. No, that's my emotional support. 8,000 screenshots I haven't looked at since taking. I feel this because I have a bag of screenshots in my phone. I mean just my screenshot here, I not go back there go look on them. None at all. Most of my phone memory are foolishness what I don't need. Like a quarter it, screenshots. Every week my ball and all about how my phone run out of memory. So what's going on here is a cat is in bed and then there are other cats, but it's not real cats, it's tough cats. And then the cat are looking at a camera like, I suppose you think this is funny. Big stinking human. I suppose you think this is funny. Me trying to meet the right person without going out, approaching or interacting with anyone. Yeah, man, I use a brain power. One professor from X-Men. So we are trying to talk to them. Or the dolphin, the dolphin. What is a dolphin, bro? I don't know. It's a dolphin that sings tunes. Dolphin. I try telepathically find somebody to talk to. Dogs lick us because we have bones inside and they want them, scientists say. And that make a whole heap of sense. You did the thing say dog really love you. Dog does try to get to that juicy sweet bone there where they ripe on the next side of the skin. My last minute Halloween costume. Ghosting. Had a great time tonight. Me too. You free on Friday? Hey. I saw me stay sometime, you know. I ghost people all the while, you know. Not on purpose, though, just for my mental health. I apologize in advance. For those I have ghosted and those that I will ghost. But the ghosting must continue. Why is there a charge for $3,000 to Men's Warehouse? Me. I have no idea. Just don't go outside. Yeah? Just not go there. Horse gets tailored 3-piece suit. Looks absolutely dashing. This sounds like some type of agonies. That I would potentially partake in. Looking quite spanky. Indeed, if you look at him. Quite spanky, my G. I have taken too many before pictures while telling myself I'm going to start getting into shape. So basically, I have a slideshow of me getting more fat. Somehow know they feel this. Oh, next week me I start workout. Let me just take that before picture here. Can you see the after? When you see the after, them I got mad. 1 year later, you have 60 odd picture of you. Just an increase in volume. Width-wise. Just. Oh my God. People who call instead of text. Me. Yeah, I made this, man. But I don't know why, but I fear phone calls. I dread them. I don't understand it. I have a cell phone, which means, you know, it's there for people to call me. But sometimes I really don't want to talk to nobody. Unless you are family or, you know, somebody I consider dear to me. Then. But even so, conversation of a shot. But the ghosting must continue. When you didn't think you were going to see a bridge, but then you see one. Oshita Bridge. Oshita Bridge. I think this is what? Chinese? I'm assuming this is Chinese. A Chinese writing this, right? Yeah. Oshita Bridge. Oshita. Oshita. That's what they say. Oshita. The erases if me do the bow and why may I do this? Oshita Bridge. Oshita. I remember stop. Cancelled. This is one for the computer people. I'm going to see if my code works. 800 lines of code. 900 errors. See it? And this is funny because I may have more error than lines of code, bro.
Something all right.
Me not do them sitting here, but this is funny. Told my shorty to scoot over. This bitch got out of bed, hopped in an Uber, and texted me when she got home, like, is this far enough? And then the girl replied, I don't know if it's the same girl, but a girl replied, nah, cuz, is it? Since you want to breathe so bad, lame ass. Yo, women extreme in their actions, you know? And I believe that this happen for real, because women would do them sitting here. They want to be petty to the highest level. When a woman is being petty with you, trust me, she don't care. She will do the most extreme of things for you make her feel away. Something as simple as like if her hand rest on you, and it's not that you want her to move her hand, but your hand is in an uncomfortable position. So you slightly adjust your hand, and she look for you like.
Okay. So you know what I'm touch you now. Alright, cool. No, it's alright.
No, babes, I'm not that. Me just did adjust my hand because I did uncomfortable. So yeah.
Yeah, so me make you uncomfortable now. You know what, drop me off. Come carry me on my yard.
Oh my God. Them thing they want to deal. Me typing in small letters to my crush because she is against capitalism. I have no idea what that is. Yo, it's a fair assessment. Whatever you did do, so brother. If she's against capitalism, then you type in a common letter. My brother's ass is delicious. That comma is working overtime. Yo, when I just say this, I read about 13 different times. Come and say, and then I realized the importance of punctuations. So this is how I read it. And this is how a lot of people are going to read it. My brother's ass is delicious. How it should be read is, my brother's ass is delicious.
Let me take all this off of my face. So, you natural bleeder.
Wait.
All right, security, usher him out. Security, usher him out.
I hear him say that, not me. Not me, all right? Cool. Me not do them sitting here, but this is funny. Yo, people, may have some more memes, but you know, I think we've gone far enough, so I'm going to stop right there. So, and you know, hit the like button if you enjoyed this, so we can do some more. Cause I like this. I like this already. So hit the like button if you want to see some more, and also send me like readable memes so I can read them for you and we laugh and all them sitting there. Yeah, big up on yourself, Kevin Too Crazy. This has been the very first episode of Reading Memes.